On this video, we'll be working on how you can mock up a video on a mobile device, either an iPhone. So the first thing we'll create, let's name it mockup. Now we'll open a page. The next thing we have to do is get a file, an already made mockup file, which is below the link on the description button, on the description page. You see the link on here, you can get the file. So go to the file. Let's go to our file. We'll be opening to file. Open my YouTube, my mockup file. I have to unzip it. So I have unzipped it. Now this is a PSD file. I drag my PSD file into my Photoshop. So this is the screen. You can enlarge. So after that, I click OK. I open the file. Now we open the file. The image is here we're mocking up. This is what we're mocking up in. So we click on it. Now we're going to drag our video into it. Now let's go to download. I already have the video on ground, the video I'm using. So I drag my video. Drag it into it. You allow it to what? To load. So we'll drag that video in. So I have this I remove that layer and decide to delete this layer. After I remove the layer, I go to my Photoshop. I click on window. I click on timeline. So I have to click on what? Timeline. I click save. Now create video timeline. Now we'll create the video timeline. Once you create the video timeline, You can decide to what? Drag the graphics to cover up with the what? With the video. Make sure the what? To drag everything. After that, click File, click Save. Let's go to our file. We've mock up. You can see we've mock up our video into the what? Into the phone. So the next thing we have to do is we can you export your what? You can export. You're not exporting as PNG because it's not a what? If I so we are rendering as what? Video. Click on rendering as video. You can decide to add a design. So click on what? Rendering as video. That's how we mock up what? You select a quality. You can name it. So you can look for what? It's better you leave it what? In this mode, then you click what? Render. And decide to set quality. Decide. Let's leave it at what? I. Then you click OK. So that's how you can what? Render the what? The video on the what? On a phone mockup. On the description below, you see other what? Mockup files here. If you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so for more video on Adobe Photoshop design using the PSD file, an easy way for you to design. Thank you and have a nice day.